Guys, I want to do a quick unboxing of this Narcissus Electric Knife Sharpener. This is the S8672, and sharpening knives is essential to prevent you cutting yourself. A sharp knife, it's a good knife. So, but it's a manual job, right? So it's very cumbersome. So this one is not. This one is electric. You have a switch in the back and has little suction cups, so you won't go anywhere when you're sharpening, which is nice. So it will stay put. You hear that? We have, what else we have in this box? Let's see. From Narcissus, we have some instruction manual, how to use it. And we have the power source. And this is the power source. We'll plug it in, and then that's it. You just need a knife, and you'll sharpen our knife. I have one here. It's a small one that I used to, unbox stuff. Oh, there's also a battery, I think. Oh no, this is the. I thought it was a battery compartment. No, it's not. But yeah. So, I think this is where it collects all the filings and stuff. Then you gotta clean up from the magnet. That's what it is. Okay, that explains it. See, things I would know if I read the manual, right? But I just unboxed this, so I couldn't know. How would I know? But yeah, you plug this in. I have a plug over here somewhere, and that's it. It's already going. So I do have a knife over here that I use to unbox stuff, and I think it has to be this way. And then you go the other. Then you do the fine one. And I don't know how long it's supposed to do that for, but it's definitely doing it. Alright, let me shut it off. There you go. So that sharpens it. And yeah, it's a really good product. I really like it. And Narcissus Electric Knife Sharpener. So it's going to save a bunch of time. And then I think once you go here, you see all the filings. Yeah, there's some of the filings that, it's very fine. You don't want to take out a lot anyways. To put it back in, you have to work around this little feet things, the suction cups. It's not a big deal. Okay. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoy making for you guys. Take care. Bye.